So here's one of the recipe that helped transformed my hair from this to this. Almost everything in this video you can find within your kitchen, so if you're interested, keep on watching. Our first product for today is ginger. Ginger helps to boost blood circulation to scalp, which helps to promote hair growth. It also helps to strengthen your hair strands and also your hair follicles. Next, we'll be adding our clove seeds, which helps to strengthen your hair strands, which prevents hair breakages. It also helps to treat dandruff and itchy scalp. Next, we'll be adding our neem leaf, which conditions your scalp, treats dandruff, and promotes healthy hair growth. Finally, for the herbs, we'll be adding some rosemary, which also boosts blood circulation to your scalp, treats dandruff and itchy scalp, and also promotes hair growth. So we're going to be blending all our herbs together. It's going to look like this. It must not be very smooth. This consistency is good enough. Then you're going to transfer everything into your jar just like this. So once you're done transferring everything into your jar, you're going to be adding some growth oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So I'm going to be using about 300 mils of my growth oil. Then we're going to stir properly to ensure everything is covered with the growth oil. Like I said, you can use any carrier oil of your choice. Then you're going to cover and let it sit. So I decided to let mine sit for 1 week. Yes, I decided to let mine sit for 1 week. You can decide to let yours sit for more than a week, 2 weeks, 1 month. It's all up to you. Then you're going to sieve everything. So because there's ginger in this mix, we're going to have a little bit of water, but it's not much. It's going to settle at the bottom because water is heavier than oil, so the water is going to settle at the bottom. Then finally, I'm going to be adding some castor oil, which also helps to stimulate hair growth and also strengthen hair strands. So once you're done adding everything, you can choose to add other oils like your essential oils. Give it a good mix and transfer it into your storage bottle. Like I said, you're going to see droplets of water. That's because of the ginger. The water is from the ginger. So what I decided to do is to decant the oil, and then I'm going to be applying the part with the water first. Yes, it's water, so I'm going to be using it to hydrate my hair. I didn't want to put it on the fire to burn off the water. I wanted everything to be in its natural form. You can choose to burn it if you don't want to apply the water. So this is me showing you guys what's left of it and how I'm going to be applying it to my hair. So this is one treatment I used before. Like I said, I'm doing all this because of the setback. So at the end of this whole challenge, hopefully by the grace of God, everything is going to turn out well. So yeah, that's it on this video. It's actually very simple, very easy to make. Almost everything you can find in your kitchen. You can choose to add other products if you like. It's all up to you. Like I said, use any oil of your choice, use any carrier oil of your choice. And that's it, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.